Let's make some homemade vanilla extract. So these are Madagascar vanilla beans I purchased on Amazon for about $15. I have a quart mason jar, and then I have a bottle of vodka. You can use any type of plain vodka. You can also use brandy or whiskey for this. You're just going to take your vanilla beans, slice them down the middle. We're trying to expose the vanilla beans that are inside of the pod. I'm going to scrape that out and show you exactly what I'm talking about. These are the tiny little beans that are inside of the pods, and this is what gives the stuff the flavor. So we're going to cut every single one of our pods and put them in the jar, and then I'm going to top it off with the entire bottle of vodka. And I'm also going to rearrange the pods to make sure that they're all under the liquid and submerged, and we're going to put a label on this and pop it into a dark cabinet for 8 weeks, giving it a shake. This is what we're going to end up with after 2 months. That is our finished product. So now I just have a funnel with a coffee filter in it, and I'm straining out the liquid. That catches all of the little pieces of the bean pods that are left over. So now we have a full jar of homemade vanilla extract. I'm just going to put a label on this as well, and I'm going to keep it in my spice cabinet in a cool, dark area. And there we go. Homemade vanilla extract. Super simple.